Are you ready? Today we ask PropellerAds account managers to take a look at some landing pages and explain what makes them lame.
Ooh, did we just time travel back to early 2000s? Where did you find that?
It gives some flashbacks from MSN, from MySpace, from I don't know what.
That really is too outdated, and the white letters on dark blue hurt my eyes. Okay, it's really hard to engage users with something like that. Aside from the grandpa style design, the text on this landing page is overwhelming.
Don't be so bitter.
I came here to learn about Apache Drill, not to read a dissertation.
Yeah, right. And the registration form is very, very far on the side. It's like, I don't know, hiding. Like, guys, maybe a little closer to the content would make it feel more integrated.
Also, that red banner. It's so bright, it's practically yelling at us, especially combined with the contrasting blue. Maybe a softer color scheme would make it more inviting.
Yeah.
This page is endless. I'm tired of scrolling already.
So many letters and I still don't get anything. What's the offer about? What's the product? 2 hours later.
Well, a landing page should have a clear, focused message. And this one feels like 5 different presentations stacked together.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm pretty sure no one's going to read all this text. Make it shorter, keep the essentials, and users will stay engaged, guys.
And plus, there is no clear call to action about the poll. If people have to scroll this much, it's just to find the sign up button, they'll probably leave before they even see it.
Yeah, please remember that the seconds a user stays on a landing page are limited, and every new second leads to more people leaving your landing page. So please make it short, to the point.
Somebody please turn off the time machine already.
Look closer. It's another page that wants my email, your email, his email, her email, without knowing exactly what we're signing up for.
Sign up to receive future research. How cool.
Wait.
I'm not even sure if I'm signing for a newsletter, a course, or a lifetime commitment.
Do you remember this? South Park, you know South Park, the series, yeah? So do you remember there was an episode where they signed up without knowing what exactly they were signing up for? And then the heroes were going to this timeless loop, and then they were going to another series, and then they were going to parties and stuff. You remember?
Right. So this page needs a bit more clarity. What am I actually getting by filling out this form? Maybe a short, catchy description of the value would help.
And also a more prominent read the report button above the fold will give users directly to the content.
Okay, I see the form with a random download button. Why does the form come before the product description?
Reading the description will help to understand what you're downloading. Look, we only see that it's easy, powerful, best, and amazing, which is not very too informative.
Right. Well, always make sure that you keep up with logic and information hierarchy. The product description comes first and the download button later. And of course, be specific. For example, download a 5-day trial sounds more informative than just an abstract download.
And also show the benefits in your subtext. Words like amazing and best, they don't have significant value.
Right. Do we have any more landing pages to discuss?
No, that's all for now.
Oh, thank God.
Luckily, we didn't die from cringe today.
Stop being like that.
Kidding.
See you next time, guys. And don't forget to write a comment and tell us which landing page from today's video is the worst. The least effective, not the worst. The least effective,
we are all here to learn. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
See you.
See you, guys.